Oh man, all right. It's a little bit of a different video today. I got a mask on because something is dead in here. It's not in the hood, the cabin filter. So it's gonna be in the center console. I kind of peeled back down here and I saw some fur. So I'm wearing a mask and I'm also chewing gum to help with the smell because it smells really bad. So I'm gonna remove this top console out and then see if I can see that rodent that's dead in there. Well, that's what we're doing. Probably get rid of some of the stuff that the customer has in there. Throw it back here. What the hell is that? It's not an air freshener because everything stinks in here. Let's put it back here. Oh, it is an air freshener. I smell it now. Put that in a glove box. Fine. See if I can get my finger in there. I go get a trim tool. Pop off this cover. And I got the fan going to help blow the air, but it doesn't help Marvin over there though. I saw some fur underneath the center console. See if I can see it. I believe it should just pop out. Was slimy. Let's see what we got. Yeah, disconnecting everything. I know all the warning messages. USB port. And it stinks. Wearing a face mask and it stinks. Put this around. Oh, there it is. I see it. So let me get this thing out of the way first. Don't give you a hole. Get myself a pair of needle nose. I see the sucker. Oh, it popped back in. Damn it. There we go. Another connector down here. Oh yeah, there's more. Come on, fingers. Don't fail me. There we go. That's kind of gross. Throw it back there. Let me go grab a flashlight. Yep. It's right there, dead mouse. See it? Okay. Maybe I'll grab some tongs or something. All right, this is not for the faint of heart, but you know, if you don't want to wash this, then turn away. But I am gonna grab it out. Oh, he's stuck to the bottom. There we go, got him. There. Ooh, there's maggots on there. I'm gonna throw this guy outside. I don't know if you can see down there, but there's a bunch of maggots at the bottom there. There's maggots. Yeah, look, maggots.
Oh, nice.
We're gonna wipe up these maggots down there. Oh yeah, come on, get them. Use the rag. I'm gonna throw these rags away. Oh yeah, I got them all, or squished them. Yep, look at that giant maggot right there. Let's squish them all. Kill them. Oh shit. Trying to get that stuff all down there. Okay, so we got a heavy-duty ozone machine. We're gonna get rid of the smell. And an ozone, what it is or what it does is it creates O3. Nothing lives on O3 because we all breathe O2, which is oxygen. So that's what an ozone machine does. So, run this out of the car, and I'm gonna close all the doors. Okay. Oh, I think that's good. Oh, it's strong. You know what it smells like? It smells like a swimming pool. That's what it smells like. I'm gonna open the doors. Air it out. All right, it's actually decent in here. That ozone machine does wonders. Yeah, I'm not wearing a mask or anything, and there's like I can't even smell the death smell in here anymore. Actually, it smells really more like a swimming pool. That's what it smells like. But I got the fan just airing out everything, and yeah, that's how we deal with dead rodents inside the car, because we do deal with a lot. Yeah, I've had that. Cabin air filter to see if they, you know, whatever, but it didn't come in from there. They didn't chew through the, like the cabin filter, or like somehow they got into there and then into the car. I don't know how else they get in there, but rodents can get into really small spaces, and I don't know how they got in here, but they do find their way in here somehow. So anyways, I'm gonna start putting stuff back together, like the center console and all that stuff later. And then, yeah, that's basically it. We'll put this back. See, how did this stuff go? This is going to go like that. Right here, right here, right here, that guy, that guy, that guy. Then that is for the USB. I'm gonna get this thing in here first. Goes there. It's gonna go up there. Yep, that's it. That clicks in. Shifter. I'll go back and park. It's good. You want to sit in here and No, don't worry, it doesn't smell. It doesn't stink anymore. I'm not actually wearing a mask. That's my manager there. Where's the shifter knob? Where did it go? In the glove box. I got him to stick his head in here. I got my manager to stick his head in here to get a good whiff. Put this back in. Good. Good. Make sure I put everything back where it originally came from. USB, all that stuff. Put that USB back in. I'm gonna have to clear the codes because all the lights are on the dash. So just the update, if you watched it all the way to the end of the video, I parked this outside for half the day with the windows down, aired everything up, or aired everything out with all the windows down outside, right? This is how good it is. There's not much of a smell. I can roll up the windows and still like breathe. I'm not wearing a face mask or anything, you see. No face mask. Yeah, that's my ugly face. But yeah, windows are all up, right? And yeah, there doesn't smell like dead rat anymore. So that's how we handle dead rat smell. But yeah, I don't know. You gotta show everything that happens at the dealership. So this is one of them. We deal with a lot of rodent stuff, or dead rodents, you know, headliner, in the air box, underneath the air box, cabin filter, inside the car. Sometimes they just chew up all the wires inside. So anyways, I thought I'd just add this to the end of the video. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.